Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a selective color effect. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see in your toolbox underneath the fuzzy select, there's something called select by color. So I'm just going to go ahead and select by color. As you see, we got the green kind of going on right here. And if you select it, it clicks everything that's green, and then I can just kind of turn up the saturation on that stuff alone. But as you see, this picture is a little bit weird. So it's doing the green and the picture. So in order to fix this, what I'd have to do is go to my colors and add a hue saturation and click the color that I want to add the hue to. And then as you see, I'm going to have that green pop out now. So that yellow is turning to green is what we're essentially doing. Or like I can turn blue to purple and red as well, and that kind of stuff. Since I have the green color selected, it's going to affect that more than anything. As you see, I can also turn it to purple if that's something that I wanted to do as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.